Critical illness insurance na affordable kasi walang investment na naka-attach. Tapos yung life insurance, bonus lang. Meron kami niyan dito sa AIA. Ang tawag sa product, AIA Critical Protect 100 or ACP 100. It covers you sa critical illness, 100 critical illnesses hanggang age 100 mo. Ito yung sample ng mga critical illnesses covered na doon sa proposal na yan. All types of cancer, unang-una, tapos illnesses related to organ failure and functions, katulad ng kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, total and permanent disability kasama, vital organ transplant, lupus kasama rin, illnesses related to heart like cardiomyopathy, tsaka heart attack, etc., no? Surgery to aorta, illnesses related to nervous system like Alzheimer's disease, coma, encephalitis, paralysis, Parkinson's, and then even stroke. And then other illnesses, like loss of limbs, loss of speech, HIV. Basta 57 major illnesses yan. Bukod doon, may kasamang minor critical illnesses, pwede sa bata, age 0 pataas, pwede nila na to. Diba? Carcinoma in situ or early stage cancer, kasama rin, and then other minor critical illnesses, mga pacemaker, etc. Tapos, may gender-specific cancer coverage din ito. Diba? Kapag na-diagnose ng panglalaking cancer, mga lalaki, like prostate cancer, or sa babae, ayan, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and yung mga samples, makakakuha ng additional pang pera para makapagpagamot ka. Magkano ba siya? Mura lang. Ito, meron akong client last time, female age 27 for AIA Critical Protect 100, 1 million na face amount, which is yun yung coverage mo, tas 500,000 additional for gender-specific cancer benefit, 25,865 lang, 20 years to pay. Kapag ginawa mong 10 years to pay, mas mura, 47,000 lang. Yung total na babayaran mo, mas mura siya. Imagine, 474,000 lang in 10 years, 1 million plus potentially 500,000, 1.5 million yung coverage. So talagang maliit lang yung binayaran mo sa napakalaking coverage. Meron din akong client, yung anak niya si Rhea, which is just 19 years old, 19,955 lang per year for the next 20 years. Again, pwede rin itong 10 years, less than double of the amount din siya. Pwede rin mas malaking coverage sa 1 million. Like katulad ng kaibigan ko na client ko, si Miss Mary Ann, 2.5 million yung gusto niyang kuhain. Tapos 1.25 million yung gender-specific coverage niya. 119,000 lang for 20 years. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Kung interesado ka rin dito sa ACP 100, send me a message or leave in the comment section. I need your details, full name and birth date para magawa kita ng quotation. Message me.